In previous video, we showed that if you have log base a of a to say power of x, you can just go ahead and cancel log base a of a. And also we showed that if you have log of some base, let's say b of x to the power of y, that equals y times log base b of x. Now we want to continue and show or prove another really important property of logarithm. So we are going to prove, let me just say here, prove that log base b of x times y equals log base b of x plus log base b of y. So how should we do that? Let's say that first, let log base b of x to equal some m and log base b of y equals some n. Let me write here and. Okay, if that's the case, let me go ahead and go to the next page. I know b to the power of m equals to x and b to the power of n equals y. So let's continue in next page that b to the power of m equals x and b to the power of n equals y. So the product of x, y is b to the power of m times b to the power of n, which is the same as saying x times y equals b to the power of m plus n. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and take log of logarithm of both sides. So I have log base b of xy equals log base b of b to the power of m plus n. And remember that we showed in the first video that I can cancel this. So now I can have log base b of x times y equals m plus n. Let me go ahead and go to the next page. And now I have log base b of x times y equals, remember in the beginning of we said that let m equals log base b of x and let n equals log base b of y. So I resubstituted m and n. And there we have it. So that's a very important property. Please remember that this, this property is not the same as log base b of x times log base b of y. That is not the same. So you have to be very careful with this, okay? All right, so that's good enough. I think we have time for one more property in this video. Let's go to prove log base b of x over y, or x divided by y, equals to log base b of x minus log base b of y. So we're going to do the same substitution. Let log base b of x to equal some n and log base b of y equal n. So if that's the case, then I know b to the power of m equals x and b to the power of n equals y. And x divided by y equals b to the power of m divided by b to the power of n. So this is the same as saying x divided by y equals b to the power of m minus n. using the laws of exponents. Okay. So now I'm going to go to the next page and take logarithm of both sides. And so going to the next page, now I have log base b of x over y equals log base b of b to the power of m minus n. And remember that we showed that we can cancel this. So now I have log base b of x over y equals m minus n. And I'm going to resubstitute what I started with. Remember we said that log base b of x is m and log base b of y is n. So I'm going to resubstitute that and rewrite here log base b of x over y equals log base b of x minus log base b of y. And there we have it. Okay. Before I go, I would like to just tell you one more thing, and that is about changing base of a logarithm. So if you have, actually, you know what, let me do another video in case if I get short of time. Let me know if you have a question, and I hope you are liking these videos. Thanks.